Hi, I'm Tom Nelson here at American Tank in Windsor, California. With the impending retirement of American Tank's owner, I was tasked with the challenge of creating management and production systems that would allow the current very small management team an opportunity to succeed without the contributions of the owner. After settling on Monday.com as the platform, we're a one-of-a-kind company that builds corrugated steel water tanks, starting with sheets of steel that are formed into panels that we assemble in our shop or erect in the field. The level of detail is daunting as each tank is built to the customer's unique specifications that have zero tolerance for error. Tara from SimpleDay Solutions provided us not only a deep understanding of Monday.com's capabilities, but she was also able to marry that with her newfound understanding of the many phases of our customer acquisition, inventory management, procurement, delivery, and has reduced the stress, errors, and production time by a factor of over 80%. If you'd like to create production efficiencies, management oversight, quality controls, and a history archive of every step from customer acquisition to completion, I can't think of a better decision than the retention of Tara and her team at SimpleDay Solutions as your Monday.com chief engineers.